Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be going to play Faby Birds. Comment down below if you would like me to play more games on my phone.
Right here.
They're quite fun.
So nothing.
And yeah, please smash that subscribe button, tap that like button, and yeah. Comment down below what I should do in my next video. If you want me to do anything in my next video. I just randomly clicked. I didn't see that bit. Just randomly clicked it. I'm not too good at this game. Even though my highest score is 39, but my mum's is like 100. No, my mum's is like 60. No, this thing is broken. What you have to do is you go off that game and then go back on and then it clicks it off. That's what I do all the time. I'm quite good at this game, but not as good as my mum, brother. Not my dad, I'm better than my dad. Oh, 9! No! Stop getting that! Now I'm so stupid. Yeah, serious. Should we just play a different game? Nah, let's just go back onto it. It's annoying that there's things. Till I beat 10, that's when I'm going to end the video. If you want to download it, it is called Faby Birds. I'll comment it in the comments. There we go. Actually, I did beat it, so after I do to 14, that's fair. Said I had 9, didn't it? Oh, I don't know. You guys are probably more clever than me. Yes. 17. Okay guys, we're going to have to end the video right there, so please smash that subscribe button, and the first shout out goes to Azan Khan for subscribing, liking my videos and commenting in my videos. So yeah, peace.